how to add references in Overleaf. And I will show you exactly how to do this. First of all, we go to a project. So we created a new project. And right now we want to create a bib file. So what we're going to do now is click here left to click on new file. And then from here we remove this and do mybib.bib. And then from here we click on create. Then right now we go to Google Scholar and just search for something that you can cite. So we now click here on cite, and then from here we click on BibTeX. Now we copy everything from here, Control C, or just clicking right mouse click and do copy, and then we go back. Now we just paste the paper right here on this place with Control V or right mouse click and then paste. This will automatically save, so there is no option to save it. Just click here to main text. And then right now we click on 13 and do enter, enter. And then right now we write something down, something like reference 1. And then we do \cite. Then the open symbol like this. And then we have it right here, the reference. So now we click here on the reference. Right now we do \ again, and then we write down bibliography, and then we click here on my bib, and then we do enter again, and then one before this we do \bibliography and then style, and then we do plain like this, and plain mean just the default style. So right now what we need to do is we do Control S. So he's running the reference, and then right now here is standing the reference. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.